Hello again, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sophie H. In today's video, we're going to dive into the world of keyword research using none other than Google Keyword Planner. So if you want to find low competition keywords and rank to the Google search easily, you are in the right place, and just keep watching this video. Let's quickly talk about why finding keywords is essential for your content and business. Keywords play a crucial role in helping search engines understand what your content is, and by targeting the right keywords, you can attract the right customers and improve your search engine rankings. Now let's see what you can do to leverage Google Keywords Planner to find those valuable keywords and improve your business. Here we are in the Google Keyword Planner, a powerful tool provided by the tech giant Google. It is absolutely free to use, and it can provide you with valuable insights about search volume, competition, and keyword ideas. If you're new to Google Keywords Planner, you can access the tool via the Google Ads platform through this website address, through this URL. If you don't have one, you can create one for free using your Google account. The first step is to sign in using your Google Ads account. If you don't have one, you can create using your Gmail or Google accounts. Once you sign in, navigate to the Tools tab over here and select Keywords Planner from the drop-down menu. Once you're in the Keywords Planner, you have two options. You can discover new keywords and get search volumes and forecasts. For now, let's focus on discovering new keywords. Make sure you select the right location. You can just keep this default if you are in US, or you can just select Singapore and click Save. Make sure you keep the English language as default. For example, I'm going to use social media just because I may be an owner of the social media agency, and I just want to find relevant and suitable keywords that I can use for my marketing campaigns. So enter your keyword that is related to your business and click on Get Results. Google Keyword Planner will generate lists of keyword ideas based on your input. Take some time to review those keywords suggestions. On the top, you will find the location you are in. For me, I'm in Singapore. The language as English, and of course the search engine as Google, the primary search engine, and the results for the past year. So this is a 12 months period. In the first column, you will find lists of relevant keywords that were generated from the main keyword social media. We have about 667 keywords ideas available, and look at the list of keywords that you can use to reach out to your customers. For example, we have social media marketing and social media influencer as the choices of keywords for your businesses. Take some time to review these keyword suggestions. As you can see from the right side, you will find the monthly searches based on the keywords that is associated to it. You can also look at the competition, whether it's low, medium, or high, as well as the bidding cost that you can use, that is tagged to the keywords based on the ad campaigns via Google. To narrow down the list of keywords, you can add additional filter. I can select competition. So for this example, I'm gonna choose low because I don't want to compete with the other businesses. As you can see here, it will display only those keywords with low competition. You can even refine your keywords based on brand or no non-brand. So for this example, because my social media agency deals with Facebook, Instagram, and Google, I'm gonna deselect the other non-applicable platforms. So just remove those which is not applicable. As you can see here, we're down to 494 keyword ideas. Once you've identified the relevant keywords for your business, it's time to export and organize them. Google Keywords Planner provides an option to download your keyword such as CSV or Google Sheets. So for this example, I'm just gonna click on CSV because you can open the file via Microsoft Excel. Once you've downloaded, you can easily see the list at one go. Make sure you categorize your keywords based on the topics or themes. This will help you stay organized and create targeted contents. So for this example, I have include the filter or criteria such as low competition, and of course these are the list of keywords that I can use for my marketing campaign via Google, and even I can use these relevant keywords for my SEO optimization, such as content marketing and so forth. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to find relevant keywords for your business using Google Keywords Planner. Remember, keywords are the key to attracting the right customers and improving your online visibility. If you have any questions or requests, do leave a comment below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, a like, subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Have a great day or weekend, and I'll see you next time.